Bitcoin still the Wild West of your wallet? Alright, let's talk about Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin, that digital gold, that internet funny money, that thing your cousin who suddenly fancies himself a tech guru won't stop mentioning at family dinners. It's been around for a while now, hasn't it? Like that one persistent house guest, it's just there. Still confusing, still making headlines for either skyrocketing to the moon or plummeting to the Earth's core with the dramatic flair of a Shakespearean tragedy. It's the financial equivalent of a cat video. You're not sure why it's popular, but you can't look away. And just when you think you've figured it out, it does something completely bonkers. Again, so, here we are. It's May 31st, 2025. May is packing its bags, probably muttering about what a weird month it's been for crypto. And June is knocking on the door, holding a suitcase full of, well, who knows what, more delightful chaos, probably. So, May 2025, what a month for Bitcoin, eh? It was the crypto equivalent of a toddler's birthday party. Moments of pure, unadulterated joy, usually involving cake or in this case, price pumps, followed swiftly by inexplicable tantrums, tears, and someone somewhere definitely regretting their life choices. We saw Bitcoin prices do their usual cha-cha, a few steps forward, a dramatic dip back, a little shimmy to the side. It's less of a financial instrument and more of a performance artist at this point, really. One that demands your constant, undivided and slightly terrified attention. The big story, the one that had all the financial news channels buzzing, was institutional investment. Yes, the grown-ups finally decided to join the crypto party. And then, just when you thought the crypto market was settling into some kind of rhythm, however erratic, along came a familiar wild card. Donald Trump. Yes, him. Now, Mr. Trump has historically had a somewhat complicated relationship with Bitcoin. One minute he's saying it's a scam, the next he's, well, not saying that quite as loudly. In May, some of his comments about trade, tariffs, and the global economy seemed to send ripples or perhaps tsunamis through various markets, including our beloved Bitcoin. Why? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Or perhaps the $60,000 per Bitcoin question. The impact on Bitcoin was, as you might expect, wonderfully confusing. Some analysts, with their very serious charts and furrowed brows, claimed his words caused a surge. Others, with equally serious charts, argued it led to a dip. The truth is, correlating specific political soundbites to Bitcoin's price movements is like trying to predict the weather based on a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil. It's chaotic, it's messy, and anyone who tells you they have it all figured out is probably selling something. Section 4 Washington wades in the Genius Act and other regulatory shenanigans. Ah, regulation. That magical word that promises order and stability but often delivers confusion and paperwork. The world of cryptocurrency has been the Wild West for so long, and governments globally are finally trying to play sheriff. In the US, this means a delightful alphabet soup of agencies. The SEC, the CFTC, the Treasury, all wanting a say. It's like a family arguing over who gets to carve the Thanksgiving turkey, only the turkey is a multi-trillion-dollar decentralized digital asset class. No pressure. And into this regulatory fray steps the Genius Act. Yes, you heard that right. The Guaranteeing Economic Normalcy and Uniting States in Fostering Stability Act. Or some equally tortured acronym. Honestly, the naming committee for these bills must have a wicked sense of humor, or they're just really, really bad at naming things. It sounds less like serious legislation and more like a rejected superhero team. Fear not, citizens, the Genius Act is here to, foster stability through normalcy and uniting states, probably. The specifics, as always, are buried in hundreds of pages of legalese. What could this Genius Act, assuming it ever passes and isn't just a well-intentioned doorstop, actually do? Section 5 June's Crystal Ball. Predictions, pundits, and pure speculation. So, what does June hold for our favorite volatile digital darling Bitcoin? Let's consult the experts and their mystical tools, the charts. Oh, the charts. With their moving averages, their Fibonacci retracements, their Bollinger Bands, technical analysts, bless their cotton socks, are pointing to various key support levels and critical resistance points. They'll tell you with great confidence that if Bitcoin breaks above some number, it's heading to the moon, but if it drops below another number, then batten down the hatches. We're going to visit the Earth's molten core. It's all very precise until it isn't. And the price predictions. Oh, the glorious, often wildly inaccurate price predictions. Some gurus are calling for Bitcoin to hit $70,000 in June, others feeling more bullish are shouting $100,000 or bust from the digital rooftops. Then you have the perma-bears lurking in the shadows whispering about a crash back to $20,000. It's a smorgasbord of speculation. Remember, many of these same experts confidently predicted we'd all have personal jetpacks by the year 2000. So, take it all with a rather large pinch of salt.